Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Look at your son, I know you run down sucking and wore out you. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Down in the wildwood, sitting on a log, finger on the trigger and eye on the hog. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog.
So, after extracting a few frames of honey, one by one, I stored them in the barn. And this is what happens when you store honey frames in the barn during a dearth. There's bees everywhere. The bees have found the source of the honey as it drips out underneath the box. Any little bit of honey that's dripped out onto a piece of cardboard or onto the floor outside of a box, the bees have located it. They've used their bee radar, and here they are trying to rob it out, and you can see them. They're stuck in here now. They're stuck in the barn. They're stuck in the windows. They can't get out. So there's really not much for me to do here except just leave them be and hope they escape.
Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Look at yourself, I know you run down sucking and wore out you. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Down in the wildwood, sitting on a log, finger on the trigger and eye on the hog. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Pulled the trigger and the gun said go. The shot fell over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your solid dog.
This is a good way to clean out equipment.
Let the bees rob it out.
I hear the train a-comin', it's rollin' around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison,